Over 20 people were injured after a grenade exploded during New Year celebrations in Barangay Dalapitan, Matalam, Cotabato. Here's the report.
Sa Granada?
Oo, may araw na dito!
A powerful explosion disrupted what was supposed to be a joyful New Year celebration in Barangay Dalapitan, Matalam, Cotabato. 22 people were injured in the blast, including 9 minors, while nearby establishments sustained damage from the force of the explosion. Police said the attack was carried out by riding in tandem suspects who fled the scene on a motorcycle without a license plate. Authorities added that the suspects have already been identified and are allegedly part of a local illegal drug syndicate.
Actually, inline yun sa aming pinalakas na anti-illegal drugs operation kasi sa mga suspect yan is involved sa illegal drugs. So we have a series of anti-illegal drugs na at napiktuhan yung kanilang gagawa sila ng mga possible na mga senaryo to divert yung aming attention.
The explosive used was an MK2 hand grenade. News 5 spoke to one of the victims who sustained shrapnel injuries to his hand.
Papasok na sana ako para kumuha ng motor nung biglang may sumabog na granada. Tumakbo agad ako at nataranta.
Some victims have already been discharged from the hospital, while others remain under treatment. A manhunt is ongoing as police maintained heightened security in the area to prevent further incidents.